don't have to travel all the way to Eastern Europe to enjoy some delicious Bierocks. Learn how to make the savory pastry with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Make the bread dough by having some warm water in a bowl and adding the active dry yeast and granulated sugar. Let it stand for 15 minutes until a foam appears. In another bowl, sift together some all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and sea salt. Pour in the yeast water, then fold until evenly incorporated. Now dust the working area with flour, place the dough onto the surface, and knead for 10 minutes or until the dough becomes elastic. Transfer the dough into a bowl and brush with olive oil. Cover the bowl and let the dough rise for at least 1 hour in a warm area. Once it has doubled in size, dust the working area with flour and place the dough on it. Form the dough into one big ball before dividing it into 25 to 30 equal portions. Place them on a baking sheet and cover with a kitchen towel to prevent drying out. Set them aside to proof for 30 minutes. While waiting, prepare the filling by cooking the ground beef in a skillet on medium heat. Drain any excess oil, then add in the chopped cabbage and white onions. Let it cook for 40 minutes or until the cabbage is fully wilted. Season with salt and ground black pepper to taste. Then, transfer to a bowl and let it cool before adding in the shredded cheddar cheese. Fold until evenly incorporated, then set aside. Now take the dough and using a rolling pin, flatten each piece into about 1/8 inch thickness. Fill each dough with 2 tablespoons of filling, then fold and take 2 opposite edges to the middle, pinching the seams together to seal. Place the Bierocks into the baking sheet seam side down, leaving at least 1 inch space in between. Repeat until all the dough and filling are all used up. Bake them in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes or until the top becomes slightly golden brown. Brush each Bierock with melted unsalted butter on top as soon as they come out of the oven. Serve and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.